contribution, because all of us, we have a section of the people that we appeal to or who listen to us. The religious leaders command the respect of the congregation they lead. The cultural leaders have a big following and they believe in you when you are talking about the issues of culture. The civil society work with so many organizations that bring together different people. Therefore, each one of you being in this room, we know that you contribute a lot. And so we want to thank you so much, first of all, for honoring our invitation. We want to thank you for the work that you are doing in the space of adolescent health. But most importantly, we want to thank you for your personal commitment to this agenda of today. Thank you very much. They have made a speech for me that today you have listened to so many, I don't want again to go back the things you have heard since morning. But allow me to say, let me open my statement today saying that the strength of a nation, the prosperity of a nation, the future of our nation lies so much in the quality of our young people. Our nation to grow, to prosper, to be like any other country that we admire, it has to begin first and foremost with the young people that we have, the quality. We may have quantitative when we are talking about numbers. We are talking about population growth of, I don't know what exponential limits. But it is not about the numbers just. It is about the quality of the young people. And how do we build the quality of the young people that will take over when we are grandmothers, when we are grandfathers, the people who will steer this country to prosperity, to greater heights, to the future that we all desire and we are working towards. That kind of caliber of leaders, you don't become that in 30 years from now. You begin to lay the foundation now. You begin to lay the foundation when you are studying in primary. You begin to lay the foundation when you're in secondary. That's when you start shaping of the kind of person you want to be. That's when you start looking at certain people as your mentor, as your role models. We may not have the best role models that is in plenty, but I know that for sure we have role models in our country. Who is your role model? And what are you doing to follow the footsteps of that role model and do what this person is doing and to become that person you want to be? That is a question for you. There are certain questions I'm going to ask you today. Today I didn't come to make real, stakeholders, what collaboration. No. Today, I'm discussing. I missed to sit here, but I should have been here if I was here earlier. So, what are your role models in this country? That's where we need to begin from? Because a generation that does not have role models that shape the thinking, that shape the practice, that shape the behavior, then there is a generation gap. So who are our role models? The second thing I just wanted to mention here, before I go to the theme of today, our young people. If some people did not stand to be counted, if some people did not become responsible and live responsibly and get to where we are right now, and many have contributed to what this country has become, where would you have found this country? Where would you be? Even this hall would not be there. Even the schools will not be there. Therefore, I want you to know that you are not just existing. You just did not happen to be. You did not just, a sperm did not meet an ovum and you got the fertilization took place and you just were born and you are right there. You are here because at such a time as this, there is a reason, there is a purpose, and there is a mission that you must fulfill. I am laying the foundation of my discussion. Why am I saying this? I want you to know that Uganda, our sweet pearl of Africa, Uganda, needs you more than what she needs you more. Our pearl of Africa needs you more than you need Uganda. I want you to take these statements, they are loaded. If you let the Holy Spirit help you to quicken this message. Uganda needs you more than you need her. Because Uganda is your mother. When her youth is giving themselves away to HIV and drugs and teenage pregnancy, Uganda is crying. Uganda is bleeding. So, just know that every single day you get out of your father's house or your apartment or whatever, either you are going to work or you are going to visit or you are just there. Some young people like yapping and Snapchatting. Just know that every time you are doing all that, ask yourself, is what I am doing, is it going to make me a better person, that I'm able to contribute to my country, to make her proud, of me? So Uganda needs you more and more and more. Actually, she needs you more than ever before. Uganda needs you more than ever before, and you cannot contribute to her development, to her prestige, to her prosperity when you are giving yourself away. You can't.